Slice the eggplants into medium-thick rings and soak them in salted water for 30 minutes. Then, remove them and pat dry. Score the surface of the eggplants with a knife and arrange them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Mix oregano, salt, and olive oil in a bowl and brush it over the eggplants. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, finely chop the onion and sauté it in a pan with some oil. Add chopped green peppers and sauté. Then add the ground beef and cook until browned. Add 1 cup of boiling water and simmer until the meat is cooked. Once the water evaporates, add tomato paste, grated garlic, salt, and spices, and cook further. Remove the baked eggplants from the oven and slightly mash them. Pour the meat mixture over them. Place a tomato slice and a sprig of parsley on top. Pour a mixture of tomato paste, salt, and water into the tray. Bake in the preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Serve the burger with rice or bread and salad on the side. Enjoy your delicious eggplant burger.